this is a quick tutorial on how to open your Xbox 360. Here's the tools that I'm going to be using today. I've already took out my hard drive. See, I got the seven-way star driver. I got the regular flathead screwdriver. I got a Torx T10, a regular screwdriver, the flathead, just a knife, a skinny little knife, and power drill. Okay, first you're gonna have to take off the faceplate. Just put your fingers there where that little hole is and pop it off. I'm gonna lay that to the side. Get over here on the side. Mine's loose already, so I could just pop it off. If I can get it there. Just pop it off like that. Okay, lay that over there. Alright, I'm gonna have to take the 7-way star driver to pop these off. You can just lift it up a little bit. Like that. And then find your hole. It's going to be right there. And then the other one's going to be right there. It might not hurt it, but it's there. Then the other one, it's going to be right there. Probably right. And I just basically, hold on. Oh yeah, and right there. Yeah. Once you have that side, you don't necessarily have to do the other side. Just pop it off. It should be coming off. Just wiggle it a little bit and it should pop off. And I'll lay that other side. Okay, now we'll start on the back. These holes, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They're little bitty. We're gonna have to use the knife on these. The little bitty knife. Okay. Now we're gonna start over here with the right side. We're gonna pop each one until it clicks, until it pops. Until each one just pops. And once you pop both of these, or all of these, okay, we're gonna need the flathead. And just kind of like pry this open. It should be close to opening. Like that. Just make sure you have it. Like that. Oh. Well, I didn't mean to get it in that far. But this side should open. Or not, I mean. Just when you have that. Yeah, that side's open. Now it is open. Alright, now you're going to move over to this side. And just pop them. Like that. And then. So you have it like that, just take out your screwdriver, pop them open. Alright, that one's not open. See, as you can tell, it's latched. Gotta get up under there. Pop it open. Alright, I'll just pull this apart. I thought I am. This might take a second. Well, I think I have it open. Just got to do this. Just gonna have to stick the screwdriver down in here. mine, I'm just gonna pop out. Whoa! I think I broke it. Just don't do it like that. I know it's not broken. Just pull a little bit apart. And then we're gonna move over to the front side. Make sure you flip it over so it just don't close. And we're gonna take the knife again. And there's gonna be some latches. 1, 2, 3, and probably 4 right here. Alright, I'm just gonna use the flathead screwdriver to do this one. I'm gonna try to. Alright, yeah. Just push up against it and spread that apart like that so it don't latch back. I'm gonna try to do this side real quick. Just don't screw up. Alright, well, if I can get this freaking little bitty part open. Okay, well, I'm just gonna get this open first. These are hard, aren't they? I'm just gonna pop it up like that and probably just pull apart. Yeah, I see. It's not on there anymore. It's not on the little track it was on. This should be freaking opening. Oh my god, I just latched that back. Oh. Good Lord. Right there. And real quick, I'm going to do this one so it just don't fall back in like it just did. Okay, I'm just right. Good Lord. Be working on this all night. You should have something like that, and then you might want to do this part like that. Now it should just come right off. Now we have screws right here, all around here, and we just took that off. So lay that over the side, lay the screwdriver over the side, lay this knife over the side, and get out the little Torx T10. Okay. And here are the screws you will be needing to unscrew. I'm going to be needing this middle one. There's 2 middle ones right here and right here. Okay, we're going to first undo this one. Alright, let's see. Should have a screwdriver for this. And that should be a long screw. And just lay that over here. And then this other one right here. We're going to unscrew it. It should be another long screw. See? Okay. And now, if yours are golden, it'll be just like mine. But we got to do all these gold screws and the silver ones around here. So, hold on just a minute. It's going to take probably a minute to do. Alright, all the gold screws. All the gold screws should be little bitty screws. And I think the white ones might be long on the outside. Just to make sure you... Oh, I'm screwing it the wrong way, huh? I keep doing this. Oh, yeah, unscrew this one. Alright, and then we're going to Basically, you do all the outside ones, gold and silver. None of the black ones. The black ones you do not do. Because there's basically a weird way to do those. Alright, so we got this long one on the outside. Alright, we're going to be doing these. All these around here. Some are big, some are small. I recommend you getting a plastic bag and writing outside or inside. Or just when you want to put it back together, just go around and like measure, like if that will fit, then it's a long screw. That's what I'd recommend doing. And then after you're done with all these screws, it takes probably about 5 minutes to do. If you have a screwdriver or not. I don't have a screwdriver. I'll already be done with this now. Okay. Oops. See, little screwdriver. And that little screw. Alright, now one more to go after this one. And then we're at the main frame. Yay, we're almost done with this part. Alright, now we have all these screws left. Now we're going to flip it back over to this front side. And you should be able to, oh, there's this little blue part right here. There should be a hole. There should be a hole right there. And you just take your fingernail or whatever and flip that off. Lay that over the side. Then you should be able to just pull it, like work from the back. Let's adjust to the front. There we have her. Alright, now there's how to open it. In my next video, I will show you how to like hot swap your Xbox. Yeah, so I'll show you how to hot swap your Xbox in the next video. So subscribe and thumbs up. Alright guys.
Peace.